Pool Side Platform was designed for the little kids that can't touch the bottom yet, but also to be used in a pool where you've got a lane rope or a small teaching area, or perhaps we're going across the pool. One of the cool features is that it doesn't touch the bottom. So if we've got any concerns about a platform disturbing the pool liner or the tiles or the plaster, we don't have to worry about that. These rubber stoppers down here, they absorb a lot of the shaking and a lot of the jumping. So there's really no way that these are going to make any bad effects on your pool, and it'll be a really good way of keeping your kids feeling safe and secure during their swimming lessons. Alright, this is the Pool Side Platform. When you order one, this is how it'll come in a box like this. Basically the first thing to do would be to check that you've got everything that you need. Alright, so once you've unpacked everything and you've put it on the ground, you should have a left side and a right side handrail. Each handrail will have this section here with the two rods in it. That's going to anchor it down into the wet deck grating or into the pool concourse. That'll be cemented together shortly. You'll also have a couple of wheels. That'll help us get the PSP out of the pool and into a storage area. These two long bars here, that's going to connect the left and the right handrail part. So that's what you should have. Double check you do actually have it all, and then once you're happy with that, we'll get started with assembling it. Alright, to assemble the poolside platform, you're going to need some PVC cement and you're going to need some priming fluid. Specific PVC priming fluid or acetone. Make sure when you're using these that you read the instructions and follow those directions. First step would be to get all the parts that are going to be cemented together primed. So grab your rag, grab your acetone or priming fluid and do it all in one go. And that way you know it's done. Best to do this in an outdoor area if you can, or somewhere that's well ventilated. Right, so that's going to be one of the handrails done. Then same thing on over here. Make sure you just clean and acetone every little piece that's going to be glued together. Excellent, that's the priming job done. Okay, now it's time to cement the handrails together. We need glue on all the surfaces, a bit like the priming. Obviously, we've already primed it. The biggest mistake people make when they're using the PVC cement is they don't push it all the way in and they don't hold it for long enough. So when you're doing the PVC cementing, make sure that you push it all the way in, push it down. It does need a little bit of force, not too much, and hold it for at least 30 seconds. Otherwise they can push back out. So this one here will eventually go on this side. You'll see I've got the wall bumper here, the wall bumper there. That's to stop there to be any damage at all to the side of the pool. Okay. Now for the other side. You might have also noticed that we use clear PVC cement. We choose clear because it basically hides any spillages or any mistakes. It looks much neater. Alright, now we're going to be cementing in these little crossbars. So, pushing it down, make sure you're holding it. Don't have to push down too hard, just push down enough that it stays all the way home. If you do try and put too much pressure down, you can push it too far, which is probably just as bad as not pushing it in far enough or holding it for long enough. Good. So that's done. There'll be nothing worse than putting this in on the wrong way, because once that cement sets, it's set for life. So make sure that you've got it set up so that all the stoppers, all the bumpers, that's this yellow bit of rubber, is all on the same side. Once you can see that, you know you've got it right. Grab the cement. And it should go on nicely. Just put enough pressure on there that it goes all the way home and hold it still. Alright, ideally, if you've got someone there to help you, get them to help you out. 2 hands or 2 people are going to be making this look a lot easier than what I will be right now. But you can do it on your own. Just make sure you put plenty of glue on all the areas that need to be glued together. We've tried doing it lots of other ways. We've found following this order of gluing is the easiest. All those surfaces have got some glue on there. Get it all lined up. And what you'll find is it should fit perfectly. Alright, time to put it in the pool. As you can see, the wheels make it really easy. The rubber bumpers on the side have been designed to make it really safe to use against tiles, plaster or a pool line. And then it's just a matter of getting these put in, pushing down, and then we're ready to go.